And good morning, everyone. I'm SWKSS Chief Damon Claud, and this is a severe weather update for today, February 14th, 2025. Valentine's Day out there. We have severe weather, a lot of severe weather to talk about. We also have snow to talk about into next week as well. So, true West Kentucky weather, what we're tracking here across our region here the next couple of days. Start out, severe weather alert number 1 for 2025 has been issued. That will remain in effect from 12 a.m. tonight, February 15th, 2025, to 12 a.m. on Sunday, February 16th, 2025. SWKSS severe weather alert means a potentially dangerous, significant, and life threatening severe weather event is possible, likely, and there could be a high danger to life and/or property. Keep a close watch on our main Facebook page and other media outlets, NOAA Weather Radio, for the latest severe weather information. This severe weather alert was issued for the possibility of extreme flooding across the region. Weather Prediction Center Day 3. I know this is still the same graphic as we showed last night if you've seen the update. They have not updated that graphic yet. It will be updated later today when we do the during the day update for on Saturday for this event. So still level 4 moderate risk for extreme rainfall across the entire region for your Saturday. A little bit of change in the severe weather outlook for Saturday. Storm Prediction Center issuing a day 2 outlook. This one's now showing that level 2 slight risk coming all the way up, covering our Tennessee counties, Clarksville, Montgomery County, Stewart County, Tennessee included in that, bumping the state line there. Level 1 risk now including all of the SWKSS counties, and we will continue to monitor the severe weather risk as we move in further into this event. Meet you over on the weather models to talk about what's coming up. But again, on the weather models, take a look at first the active radar right now. Nothing going on out there across the region as we record this overnight at 1:49 a.m. A little bit closer look at the risk for severe weather for Saturday from the Storm Prediction Center overlaid on our radar map from Radar Omega. Level 2, slight risk, as you can see now, is bumping the state line there. I think we can go ahead and call our Kentucky counties in game as well for that. I would go something like that right there, just to be on the safe side. Um, as far as a level 2 risk is concerned, we'll continue to watch that and how that involves. Right now, still a level 3 enhanced risk. I know there is still talk of possibility of upgrading to a level 4 down there for severe weather as well. So we'll keep an eye on what the Storm Prediction Center does as far as that goes. Let's go ahead and take this off, and then we'll go over to our weather models and talk about what's coming up here. Bear with me just 1 second. Let me get transferred over there. HHR, what is it doing? Okay. So we're still 00Z. If you saw the live update, you can fast forward through all of this that we did earlier this evening. However, we'll go through it again just to give everybody an update of what's going on into Saturday. So that is what we're starting out here first. If this thing wants to cooperate with me, it's glitching out everywhere. Here we go. Um, so nothing going on today at all. Clouds are starting to move in overnight. We start to get about 3 a.m. some shower activity starting to break out. Continue to come up there at 9 a.m. This is our warm front that'll be lifting up across the region. This draped across here. This will be lifting to the north through the morning hours on Saturday. Let's pull that up. You can see it lifting up. 12 p.m. This is what's going to set the stage for the cold front later on. So 12 p.m. Moderate rain and storm line moving to the north out of Tennessee from our warm front. You can see our formation of our squall line now. This is going to be our cold front back here with a line of storms developing ahead of it. Warm front still lifting up to the north at this point. And here comes our line at 6 p.m. Pretty good storm line moving through Paducah. 9 p.m. It's in the core of the area. Leading edge is already through. And it's out of the SWKSS region by midnight. Let's go ahead and take a look at those precipitation totals. And you can see before I do this, the main precipitation for this is centered right over our region. So let's zoom in here. Let's take a look at some totals. 4.29 in Cadiz, 4.73 in Hopkinsville, 4.26 Todd County, 4.38 Madisonville, 4.58 Paducah, 4.03 Graves County, and 4.07 in Murray. So that is our Saturday system that we have as of right now, all the information that we have on it. I want to go to precipitation type down here, and let's take a look at our next system for next week. We'll drag that on out of here. By the way, this could end in some snow showers Sunday about 3 p.m. So uh, we're not out of the woods and not getting snow on the backside of this system from Saturday. So could get a little bit of snow activity, snow showers. Not expecting too much in the way of accumulation with this. We'll have to keep an eye on it. Let's see what the model's actually doing for precipitate or the totals on that. Nothing. Okay. Yeah, model's not picking up on anything right now. So did I just click the same thing? Back to that. Okay. Okay, so here comes our system next week, 2/18, 12 p.m. Big area of snow coming in. That's starting to bump into the region at 3 p.m. on Tuesday. Snow overspreading the region by 6 p.m. on Tuesday, continuing through 9 p.m. Snow continuing through 12 p.m. 3 a.m. on the 19th. We have some shower activity, some shower activity across parts of the region at 3 a.m. on the 19th. Another shower activity still 6 a.m. on the 19th. And it is out of here. Let's take a look at our snowfall totals for the system. Take this off. 4.4 in Cadiz, 3.4 in Hopkinsville, 4.3 Madisonville, 4.0 Murray, 4.3 Graves County, 4.9 in Paducah. Take that over to Todd County, 3.1 in Todd County. So that will wrap up our weather models with this. I'm going to go ahead and go back over. We'll finish up with the update with the 5-day weather forecast, as well as looking at the individual risk of what we think for your Saturday system. All right, Dan, we are back over to the weather update. Wanted to give everybody a heads up on the possibility of, again, of the severe weather, what we're thinking here at SWKSS before we go into the 5-day weather forecast for Saturday. Damaging wind threat, a little below a medium. Isolated tornado threat can't be ruled out. Large hail, also a possibility, a little bit lower than our damaging wind threat, and a almost extreme flash flooding risk, of course, for your Saturday. Take a look at the 5-day weather forecast. Increasing clouds today for Valentine's Day with a high of 46 degrees, east-southeast wind 5 to 8 miles an hour Friday night. If you're headed out for your Valentine's planned, showers and possibly a thunderstorm, mainly after 3 a.m. Temperatures falling to near 38 by 9 p.m., then rising to 46 degrees during the overnight hours. South wind 5 to 8 miles an hour, gusts as high as 18 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation is 90%. Saturday, showers and thunderstorms after 3 p.m. Some storms could produce heavy rainfall and be severe, with a high of 57 degrees. South wind around 6 miles an hour. Chance precipitation for that is 100%. Saturday night, rain showers before 3 a.m., then rain possibly mixed with snow showers. The rain could be heavy at times with a low of 33 degrees. Southwest wind 5 to 9 miles an hour, becoming northwest in the evening. Winds could gust as high as 18 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation is 100%. Sunday, a slight chance of rain and snow showers before noon. Cloudy with a high of 37 degrees. Northwest wind 9 to 11 miles an hour, with gusts as high as 21 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation then is 20%. Sunday night, partly cloudy with a low of 17 degrees, northwest wind around 3 to 8 miles an hour. Monday, Washington's birthday, mostly sunny with a high of 34 degrees, light north wind. Monday night, mostly cloudy with a low of 21, calm wind, becoming north-northeast around 5 miles an hour after midnight. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with a high of 35 degrees, northeast wind around 5 to 7 miles an hour. And Tuesday night, a slight chance of snow showers, mostly cloudy with a low around 19 degrees, north-northeast wind around 7 miles an hour. That is all we have for your severe weather update for this morning. We will have another update later today, and as well as we'll be here through the weekend to keep you updated on what is going on. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay safe and have a great rest of your day. With severe weather is forecasted for the SWKSS region, turn to SWKSS. From our live reports out in the field by SWKS trained weather spotters on Facebook Lives, to our new Facebook live streams using Radar Omega, tracking storms down to the street level and giving you the information you need to know when you need it. To our severe weather update videos, uploaded to our social media days in advance of severe weather. Knowing the difference between watches and warnings, a severe weather watch means conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including but not limited to tornadoes. While severe weather may not be happening, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions. Listen for later statements of possible warnings. The following media outlets, internet sources, or NOAA Weather Radio for the latest severe weather information. If a tornado warning is issued for your area, take action. Move to a basement, lowest floor, or interior room away from doors and windows. Use a mattress or pillow to cover your head and neck area. Kneel on your knees. Put your head down using both arms and hands to cover your head and neck area. This should also be done in an interior room and lowest floor of the building, kneeling against an interior wall. Put as much as you can between you and the outside as possible. If you're in a mobile home, you should make plans ahead of time to take shelter in a nearby building before storms are in the area. If you're in a vehicle, take shelter in a nearby building. Do not try and outrun a tornado. If there is no building nearby, take shelter in a low-lying ditch. Cover your head and neck area. Never take cover under an overpass. A SWKSS severe weather alert means a significant and dangerous, life-threatening severe weather event is possible to likely, and there could be a high danger to life and/or property. Keep a close watch on our main Facebook page, other media outlets, and NOAA Weather Radio for the latest severe weather information. How can I be ready for severe weather to impact my region? Stay informed. Have a flashlight and batteries. First aid kit. Medicines and special needs are ready to take the shelter with you. Knowing where to go before the storm arrives. And having all devices charged and ready to go. SWKSS Southwestern Kentucky Storm Spotters covers 21 counties in western Kentucky. Before being prepared saves lives. SWKSS before, during, and after the storm. When winter weather is forecasted for the SWKSS region, SWKSS is here. I'm using our new Radar Omega to determine and track the storms. Using Radar Omega to determine how much snow and ice you will receive. There are SWKSS Snowman Report live streams. giving you the latest on closings and cancellations of Kentucky schools, businesses, medical, and more. Preparing for extreme cold. Dress in layers, cover exposed skin, limit time outdoors, and don't forget about the pets and bring those inside. Prepare your home for winter weather. Keep enough non-perishable food and water medications for at least 3 days. Ensure you have warm clothing and blankets. Make sure you have an updated first aid kit. Charge your phone in advance and check wireless emergency alerts. Staying warm when the power is out. Close blinds to contain heat and keep heat inside. Close off rooms to avoid wasting heat. Wear layered and loose-fitting clothing. Eat and drink food that provides energy and warmth to the body. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Stuff towels and rags under doors. SWKSS covers 29 counties in western Kentucky and 2 in Tennessee. Being prepared saves lives. SWKSS before, during, and after the storm. This has been a severe weather update from SWKSS. Did you like this content? If you have not already, please consider following us on our Facebook page and Instagram, and consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like and share. This helps us continue to grow on our social media. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and have a great day. Please check back for severe weather updates on our Facebook page.